Welcome back to Flex Candle, where we read the candles and flex the moves. I'm Flex, and today we're diving into a full top-down analysis on Bitcoin. We're going to start from the higher time frames, work our way down to the lower time frames, and check to see if we find any good setups. Now remember, this is not financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. Alright guys, it's about 4:30 p.m. Eastern time, and the price of Bitcoin is at $115,490. And currently today we have the weekly candle closing about 3 hours and 30 minutes. So far, we're having kind of like an indecisive candle here. Last week we had a green candle. The week before that we also had a green candle. I was hoping for another green candle and form some type of 3 white soldier formation here, but as long as we could stay above the 21 moving average, that's going to be good enough for me. That's currently at 110,460. The stochastics RSI have come all the way down. They look like they reset. They're kind of pointing up. I'm aware though that maybe we could roll over and drag here for a while, but since they're low, at some point in time we're going to have to come up. So eventually I feel like we will be making a move up. Now we head over to the other time frames, like the 3-day time frame. We see that the stochastics RSI, we're on the way up. It's hard to tell, but I'm starting to see a little curve down, so I wouldn't be surprised if we were to roll over. This candle also closes in 3 hours and 30 minutes, and it's not looking good. This is a red engulfing candle compared to the last green candle that we had here. If we could stay above this 21 moving average at 115,169, that's going to be good. If we lose it, we need to stay above the 50 moving average at 110,018. Now on the 1 hour chart, we have bearish divergence on the stochastics RSI. We got toppy. We did a double hump here. It looks like we're on the way down. So far, we are above all the moving averages. I do have this right now in a cup and handle formation, which could break us out to about 125k. So far, we've been inside of the handle here. We haven't broken out, and the 21 moving average is looking to make a move up here. That's currently at 113,697. I feel like maybe we could continue going sideways, wait for the 21 moving average to touch price, and from there we could blast up out of that cup and handle move. Let's see what ends up happening. Even though the stochastics RSI are showing more downside, maybe we could round back up here and maybe we could blast up. And now on the other time frames, you see that the 22-hour time frame, we're losing a little bit the 21 moving average, but the stochastics are about to reset here. On the 12-hour, you see that the stochastics are low as well. They're about to reset. And the 10-hour as well, we already were low. We rolled over. It looks like we're about to hump up as well. So with these stochastics being low, it looks like eventually we will be making some type of a move up. We're currently at 115 and change. Will that move up be only to 118? Would it be to 120? Will we make it to 125 with the cup and handle? Time will tell. Stochastics on the 8-hour as well, it's low. On the 6-hour, we're low. So eventually we're gonna get some blast up. On the 4-hour, we were low. We were on the way up. Now we're kind of like going sideways here for a little bit. We did lose a 21 moving average, and that to me is not good. We also lost a 50 moving average. We're currently being held up by the 80 moving average at 115,193. We lose that. Next line of the support is the 100 moving average at 114,375. We lose that. Then it's the 200 moving average basically at 113k. If we lose that, then you do have to start to get a little bearish, because we'll be losing the 200 moving average. And like I said, this is where I originally made the cup and handle. As you can see, we're within the handle so far, but one thing that I'm not liking right now is that this could be a possible head and shoulder head. This could be the right shoulder. Measured move would take you to about the 200 moving average or slightly below, or even this could be a head and shoulder where this is the shoulder, this is the head, and now we're making the right shoulder as well. Either way, the measured move would probably take us to about 113k. Now on the 1 hour time frame, we see that the stochastics, have been going down. We never made it fully down. We started to come back up, but look, we pretty much lost all the moving averages here. This is not good. If we drop again, maybe we could double bottom here and come up. On the 15-minute time frame, stochastics are also rolling over. We lost all the moving averages as well. So right now, same thing. It's been slow, guys. I'm expecting us to stay in the range between 110k and 120k. If the cup and handle plays out, I see us going to 125 possibly. If it doesn't play out, certain signs are showing me that maybe we want to test the 113k level, or possibly even test 110k again. As long as we can stay above 110k and play within that range of 110, 120, for me that's still good, until maybe we could get into October and maybe some type of catalyst happens, and then we could continue to blast up. I would just get a little bit concerned if we lose 110, because now you'll be playing with the range of 100k and 110k. All right guys, so that's the breakdown. If this gave you clarity or a setup to watch, do me a favor, like, drop a comment, subscribe, and if you have a stock or crypto you want me to go over, drop it in the comment section. This is Flex Candle, where we read the candles and flex the moves. Catch you on the next chart.